Meaning of Harry Houdini.
Harry Houdini.
Harry Houdini.
Harry Houdini.
Harry Houdini. Harry Houdini was a famous Hungarian-American illusionist and stunt performer who gained worldwide fame in the early 20th century for his daring escape acts. He was known for his ability to escape from seemingly impossible situations, including locked boxes, handcuffs, and straitjackets. His name has become synonymous with escapology, the art of escaping from restraints. Houdini was also a debunker of spiritualism and claimed to expose fraudulent mediums. Today, his legacy continues to inspire generations of magicians and performers, cementing his place as one of the greatest entertainers of all time.